Hello guys, your boy Rex here, and today I'm going to show you guys step by step method that you can use to make your first sales with Clickbank. So I will teach you a very step by step method, and I want you guys to take action on this method. If you have not made your first sale on Clickbank, you can use this method to get your first sale starting today. So step by step, so let's get started. So the first step you are going to do is to go to Clickbank. You're going to go to the Clickbank marketplace. And you're going to search for the best products on Clickbank. So just sort by gravity to see which are the best products that are selling on Clickbank, so that which means that they're getting a lot of conversion. So you have to be selling something that is converting. So for example, you're also going to check for a product that has high gravity, then also has affiliate resources, so that it simplifies the work for you when you are trying to promote these products. So for example, there's this product manifestation magic that I've been promoting, and it also has affiliate resources that you can use to promote the product, so you don't have to do much of the work by yourself. So there's already done for you resources that you can use to get started and start promoting product fast and getting results fast. So you come on this product, just click on manifestation on the affiliate resources page. There are also many other products that have affiliate resources, so you can promote any Clickbank product using this method. So you're just going to go to the affiliate page and get access to the affiliate resources, the affiliate tools that you can use to promote the product. So if you click down here, you're going to see click the button to get instant access to all your affiliate tools. So you're going to click here. So if you have already filled the form or you don't want to fill the form, just click here to access affiliate tools without signing up. So this is it, guys. You have email swipes, you have banners, and you have reviews, product images, and a lot of that. So with this method, we are going to be using the email swipes. So you're just going to click on the email swipes. You can see the email swipes that you can use to send messages, you can use the email swipes that you can use as an email to send to customers, to prospects, to buy this product. So with this method, we are going to look for a product that has email swipes, so that you can use it to promote this product effectively, and most of the work is already done for you. What you have to do is to replace the names and the subject lines and the names, and replace the email you're affiliating. So there are many, so you can get started fast and start making sales with this method. So with this method, once you find the product that is converting and has these affiliate resources with email swipes and all this, the next thing you have to do is to send traffic. So sending traffic to this, we are going to be using a website called Udemy. So you're just going to go to udemy.com. I'll put the link in the description below. So you're going to go to Udemy, then you're going to click on find sellers. So you're going to find sellers that are these are people that have huge email lists, that they can promote your offers through their email list. So they have built a big email list in different niches, like in the weight loss niche, the spirituality niche, and they're going to send an email. They're going to send an email to their list about the offer that you are promoting. So when you come here and click on find sellers, for example, you can sort by ratings. This is the first thing that I do. I sort by ratings. I try to look for people that have the highest ratings, which means that they have a lot of reviews. Many customers have bought and they have left good reviews on these sellers. So I choose from 200 ratings, which means that these sellers are legit and they have a lot of customers that are recommending these sellers to other people that are buying this solo art. So, and you also have to sort. I also want to like sort by sales. Click on this price and sort by sales. You also want this sales means that once you sort by sales, it's going to show you the highest solo art providers that have gotten sales, that people that bought their solo art have gotten sales with it, and that's what you want. You want the people that have the highest quality solo art and are getting sales with it, because your main thing is to get sales. So you're going to go to the solo art providers that have high quality lists and people are getting sales with it. So once you find a solo art provider, for example Jason Thompson, you're just going to click on their on their page, and you're going to choose how many visitors that you want to buy. So for example, this is 200 visitors. The minimum visitors for this solo art provider is 100 visitors. So you can buy many visitors. You can start at 100 visitors and go right to 925 visitors and more, to rise to 1,000 visitors. So without done, also you have to contact. I recommend that you send this guy a message. And if you're going to promoting a product, for example, you're going to promoting a product like flat belly fix, Cinderella solution, any of these products, you're going to contact this vendor first, send him a message and ask if he has already promoted this product to his list. So because you don't want to promote the same product that he has already sent to his list, which means that you're not really going to make a lot of conversions, you're not going to make a lot of sales with his list, things they have already seen that they offer before. So you're going to make sure that you're going to promoting something that he has not yet sent to his list. So it's going to be new to his subscribers. So that's it, guys. You're going to send him a message, and if he has already promoted this product to his list, you're going to change. What you have to do is that you're going to change the product, or you're going to contact another solo art provider. So it's good that you should do this so that you so you can make more sales. You want to send a solo art to a list that has not seen that same offer before. So that's it, guys. All you have to do is just click on add to cart. So as you can see, the more visitors that you buy, the more the price increases. If you want 625 visitors, the price is $253. If you want 100 visitors, it's only $43. So you can get started with only $43. And if you are promoting a high converting product, for example, the manifestation magic, it pays $40 per sale. So if you get only 2 sales from this, then you are already made your investment. So the next thing you are going to do is you're going to create a simple landing page. You're going to create a simple landing page like this one. Simple landing page like this to capture the email, to capture emails from, to capture the email leads. When the traffic is sent from this email, you capture them so you can email them more offers later. To create a landing page is easy. Just go to YouTube and type how to create a landing page, and you're going to see a lot of tutorials that are going to help you with that. So the next thing you're going to do is the next thing that you are going to do is just add to cart, and he's going to send you the traffic as soon as he's able to send it. So that's it, guys. And I also wanted to show you guys where you should not buy traffic, which is cheap but is not worth it. So one of the mistakes I'm seeing a lot of people doing is buying traffic from websites like Fiverr. So I've bought a lot of traffic from Fiverr, and To be honest, guys, it's not worth it. You're just going to waste your money and time, and most of the traffic is just bot clicks, and you don't need to waste your time on this. So for example, I will send you 50,000 targeted web traffic to your website or blog for $5. It looks cheap, but it's not worth it, and it's just robot clicks. So I recommend that you guys buy traffic from trusted websites like Udemy, where you are going to get real traffic, real traffic from real humans, and buyer traffic, and you can make a lot of sales with this. So don't go for cheap traffic like this one. 10,000 10,000 visitors for $5 and all this. So guys, buy traffic that is converting. That's one of the main reasons that many people are not making sales, because they're buying cheap traffic that is low quality and there are no buyers in it. So spend some little money on high quality traffic, and you can make sales. So that's it. You can get, for example, you can get 100 visitors and you can make 2 sales, but with cheap traffic that is not targeted, you can send up to 1,000, 50,000 clicks, and you're not even going to get a sale. So I recommend you guys to take action on this method and implement it. The secret is in the implementation. If you don't implement this, you are not going to get any sales. So I recommend that you should get started and take action, and you're going to see results with this method. So that is it, guys. If you like this video, if you found value in this video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel to get more tutorials from me. Also, if you want to learn how to make money online, just click on the link in the description below to check out my best recommended method to make money online. So that is it, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video.